What is a hard disk drive, HDD? Discover how it stores digital info magnetically on spinning platters and retains data even when powered off. HDDs are among the oldest and most widely used storage devices in computers, laptops, servers, and data centers. Main components. Mechanical parts include platters, spindle motor, actuator arm, and read/write head. Electronic parts include controller board, firmware, cache memory. Platters spin at high speeds, 5,400 to 15,000 RPM, and read/write heads float nanometers above them to read/write data without physical contact. How data is stored in HDD. Data is stored as binary digits. Magnetic coatings on platters magnetize in two directions, north polarity for 1, south polarity for 0. Data organization inside HDD. Tracks, concentric circles. Sectors, small sections. Clusters, groups of sectors. Speed factors. RPM, higher equals faster. Seek time. Latency, data transfer rate, cache memory. HDD equals record player. Platters equals vinyl record. Spindle equals motor. Read/write head equals needle. Controller board equals amplifier decoding signals. HDDs have been reliable, cost-effective storage solutions for decades. Understanding their parts and functions helps appreciate their role in data technology. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Tech Explainer videos.